Hey everyone, it's Mike from DLA here, one of your favorite guys to hear from, and I'm here to show you how to access your content from Unified Classroom that is already located inside of Schoology. So throughout the module, you notice at the very beginning, we told you what does and does not come over from Unified Classroom. So let's take a look at where we can find our content that did come over. So here we are. We are located in Schoology. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. Two. So the first way, you can go into your course and you want to add materials from resources. Everything was moved over to resources. So add materials. We scroll down to where we see import from resources. And once this prompt opens up, it's going to take us to our resources. So right now you can see I have a folder inside my resource. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. If you want to just select parts of it, you would just click into it and then pick out what you want. In this case, maybe I'll just pick out week 1 here. And then when you're ready to add it to your course, you're going to select import. And it's going to prompt you. And then you just say import again. And there, it has now been imported into your course. You might say, Mike, where is this content that I added? Well, everything goes in order of the way it was added. So it's the last thing we added to the course. So as we scroll down our screen, it's located right there. You can see I even practiced this too. So everything's good. So that's way number 1. I'm going to scroll back up to the top here. Way number 2, we go to resources, because if we're taking from resources, we can easily just go to resources. And within resources, you can see all of your content. And then what you do is you take and you select the box next to the folder. If you were to scroll over, you would see that share in public resources. You could share it out with anybody. And then this is that edit button, edit, add to course, copy to, move to, and delete. So you could add it to your course there. If you'd selected edit up top here, you could also add it to course from here. And just so you see these other options, you can add it to any other resources, so you can create resources in your resource folder. And then some options you can reorder and auto arrange. So like I said, we're going to add it to our course. So we're going to select edit, add to course. And from here, we're going to choose our course to add it to. I'm going to add it to Julie's test course. And then it's going to say, do you want to import? And like that, we've now added it to Julie's test course. So that is how you can add your Unified Classroom resources to your Schoology course. Any questions? Check out the KBAs attached to this module. Otherwise, we'll see you soon.